Hi there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and associate broker of Maiga Homes with Keller Williams. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking the little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week, and you don't want to miss anything. With that being said, in today's video, we're covering another important topic in my newest series, Relocation. What is a relocation specialist? A relocation specialist is a licensed real estate agent in any given state who has training and experience specific to the needs of relocation buyers. A relocation can vary from the small employer who may not work with a formal relocation company or even have a relocation department, to the large employer who has a formal relocation contract with many agents and other vendors spanning many markets. In addition, a relocation can simply be someone who has decided to buy a home in a new market for recreational or personal reasons, not necessarily related to a job relocation. Whether you are relocating for work or otherwise, it is of the utmost importance that you hire an agent who knows how to best help you with your move. So let's first cover those moving through a formal relocation. If you're working with a formal relocation company, oftentimes they have special requirements. For instance, when it comes to buying a home in the new city, one of the primary concerns is that the buyers purchase a property that has good resale potential and at a good price. They want to ensure that the transferee does not overpay for a home or be stuck with a hard-to-sell property, because if that buyer gets transferred again, which could be within a reasonably short time frame, they need the property to move and not lose money. If the buyer isn't represented by an experienced agent, this could lead to issues down the line when the home must be sold. In addition, a formal relocation company wants an agent who will practice buyer agency, not dual agency. If you recall from one of my other videos in my seller series, dual agency is when an agent represents both the buyer and seller in the same transaction. Although this is perfectly legal in Michigan, a formal relocation company will want to ensure that the agent is working for the buyer and the buyer alone. Being an experienced relocation specialist who understands their role as the buyer's agent and being familiar with your local market is a big part of what a relocation company looks for. In addition, relocation agents are also expected to have above average information about markets, values, schools, shopping, and anything else that can impact the buyer's decision. The typical transferee is given only a few short days to locate a house. Agents should be prepared to clear their schedules and work with the buyer until he or she has found the right home. Now, when it comes to working with a formal relocation company to sell a home, there are also special requirements and training that the companies want the agents to have. Particularly, they will want the agent to be able to complete a broker price opinion using their paperwork and methods. Furthermore, the relocation company may also require that 2 appraisals be ordered that must come in within 5% of each other in terms of value. The agent must be prepared to offer a high but competitive price for the market. Generally speaking, the relocation company does not want to have a listing languishing on the market and will expect timely updates about the market, including what's new competition is on the market, whether or not some of the original competing listings have sold, and any other pertinent information. For a relocation company, an unsold house is a liability. Secondly, for those moving to a new city on their own and not through a formal relocation program, it's still important that you work with an agent that has many of the same experiences, qualities, and skills mentioned above. In addition to being a relocation specialist, it can also be wise to consider an agent who holds other special designations such as the accredited buyer representative, seller representative specialist, pricing strategy advisor, master certified negotiation expert, senior real estate advisor, and more. These are all real estate specific designations that a realtor can take to be the best representative for you and can give you confidence that they can effectively service your needs. Believe it or not, I hold all of these real estate designations in addition to being a relocation specialist. So if you need someone to help you with your relocation, formal or otherwise, consider hiring an agent who has similar credentials. I hope you found today's episode insightful. As always, if you think you're within a year of making a move to Southeast Michigan, give me a call and set up a consultation today, as I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance. If I'm not able to personally assist you, don't worry. I'm part of a global real estate company and can find you a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. In fact, If you haven't yet had a chance, please check out another one of my videos on why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. That will teach you all about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what to expect when you ask me for one. Be sure to subscribe to my channel today and tune in to next week's question. Should I rent or buy first when moving to a new city? You can also check out my other series on selling a home, buying and selling simultaneously, buying a home for the first time, new construction, and more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.